Welcome back to Ricky Baby Culinary Vlog or Travel and Culinary Vlog. Today I'm making surf and turf. So let's cook some turf. I got this lobster from Cusco. So let's do this. There. You open up. Another one. Surf and turf, welcome to Ricky Baby's kitchen again. So you open up. There. Back. Okay. There. Just sprinkle salt, just minimal because it's already seafood, so minimal. Okay. And then my garlic powder as usual. This is the way I cook. Okay. And black pepper. Welcome to Ricky Baby's kitchen. Now, while I'm preparing this, let me melt some butter. Okay. Put some butter.
Don't drop your lobsters.
This in the oven. At 425 degrees. There you go. See that? Okay, let's time it. Let's try. Let's make it timer to 10 minutes. Well, I should put 12 minutes just to make sure. Now I have to make the sauce. This is my my sauce. This is garlic. If you want garlic and honey, 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay. This is for my seasoning. Ito yung seasoning ng sauce ng seasoning sauce of my lobster tail. So pag naluto na yung lobster tail, ilagay natin itong seasoning. Okay? So, garlic. I love garlic. And the paprika. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Okay? Look at that. Garlicky. So you just have to melt the butter and make it watery. See, this is your paprika and paprika. 1 tablespoon of paprika and garlic. If you want garlic, but if you don't like the garlic, you can just add paprika and 2 tablespoons of honey, and of course, the final ingredient, which is the parsley. Kaya maglagay tayo ng parsley. Pagkatapos, ito yung ipapahid natin doon. So we're gonna spread this to the lobster tail. Okay, so that's it. And we got the sauce right here. Yep. Okay. Rosemary here. Rosemary. And the garlic. Use garlic. Paglagay natin dito. Tama yan. So, I add here. Okay. What do you call it? Yeah, so my wifey, she want well done. So I have to do extra cooking with the garlic. Yeah. Okay. Tanggalin na natin ang ating lobster. 2 minutes. Ooh. Ooh. So, I'm going to try it.
I'll take that one.
Okay. Super delicious. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna have some lunch na. Lunch na kami. And again, thank you for watching Ricky Baby's channel. Ricky Baby Culinary Vlog and travel. So, simple recipe, okay? Get it in Cusco, cook it, 15 minutes, you're done. Thank you again. Bye-bye.